Now we are going to unbox FND Headphones. Namaste to one and all. I am Varshit. You are seeing Gamer Varshit YT YouTube channel. Now we are going to unbox FND Headphones. Let's get started. Okay. So guys, this is the box. And this is the box. This is written here over here. These are the features. This is the cool gadget. It's looking nice and it's looking so bulky. This is FND HW111 model. So I took it out, and these are the headphones. In that cover we got one aux cable and one charging cable. So you charge that cable to adapter, and this is the headphones. I'll remove the cover and show you. Yeah, it's looking like this. It's looking nice. Now I'll show you the specifications of these headphones. Bluetooth heads have 4.1 Bluetooth, and they come near 10 meters distance. They have 40 mm drivers, and they have 450 mAh battery. It's up to 8 to 9 hours. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. Like, share.